Basically, just a night after no sleep for 2 days. I had a heavy night's sleep and slept in an awkward position. Woke up with my neck a little bit tight, a little bit aching. But I went to get some treatment while I was away. And as much as I insisted I just wanted the shoulder doing, they thought they'd give me a full body treatment. But they sat me up straight. They did a little bit of work on my leg and shoulders. And then, without warming up anything to do with my back, from sitting up straight, they just took my head and started bending me quite ferociously. And to the point something went in my lower back. So now I've got two problems with my shoulder and my lower back.
What we're going to do is, principles of most massages is actually to warm the muscles first, get the blood moving before we articulate and stretch. What I'm going to do is actually start working through your neck and shoulders, so we'll do this in a seated position, and then lay down on the couch and start working through the lower back.
Okay.
So, are you ready?
Yeah, My name's Dylan Glasper. I've came to Tuina for the first time because I've had shoulder problems and lower back problems, reoccurring over the years.
Besides that bit, how was the rest of the holiday?
I enjoyed it. Actually, it wasn't too bad having an extra week in the sun, laying out in a hammock, and lots of fresh fruit juice has been brought to me.
How long have you been back?
Just a few days, about 5 days. This is already feeling a lot better.
I was just about to ask how does it feel, so it's all right. How's the range of movement in the shoulder as well?
It's starting to, yeah.
Relax. Relax, yeah.
It's normally when if I drop my head down with it, that's where the pain comes in. Tried a range of therapies, but I've heard from a very good friend that, and I've seen the results, what Tuina has done for him. This feels quite tight, but it's not giving me any, the pain's been more on the other side.
Okay, and does the pressure feel different to the other side?
Yeah. It's the same pressure, but it's more sensitive on the other side. I'm aware of its tension. It's probably carrying a rucksack for the last month, I think. Do you use oils much, or is this the...
Yeah, when I go into the neck, when you're lying down, I use some oils in the neck, but definitely not like Ayurvedic where you're fully undressed. Yeah, so just a bit of oil, just move the clothes and put it back after.
So is there a reason why you do it with a sheet and...
Yeah, it saves a lot of friction from your hands. And also you don't have to dress a certain way. So it's quite easy that you can just turn up as you are without, dressing in the tracksuit bottoms or something particular for the massage. There you go. Yes, jump up first. There you go.
My shoulder was really tight. My lower back was giving me a lot of pain, but the root of it was in the middle of my back, which is where he was getting to.
How's this feel? This okay? Sometimes if you've got the extra manpower, it's sometimes good to have two people working at the same time, the same way you would with a student, but here we can use two practitioners, so that way the treatment also can be done slightly quicker when the clinic's quite busy. John, do you want to give us a hand?
Yeah. Should I do that one?
Yeah, that's what we do both sides. How does the muscles feel?
The warming up feel quite loose actually.
Yeah, so it's quite beneficial getting both muscles done both at the same time. So you stop one muscle going into spasm while the other releases. Get the blood both sides.
Yeah.
Didn't realise as well through the legs there was lots of blocks.
Yeah, and you can feel that these actually feel quite tight as well. You can feel. How does your arm feel?
Very tight now.
Yeah.
Central hamstring.
First I was expecting something a little bit different to what it was. I was expecting more massage, but like in the traditional massage. But I was made to feel very comfortable, and Errol, who was doing it, seemed to hit the spot straight away. He seemed to know by the way my posture was standing, and he seemed to just put my body at ease, right, work the muscles, and actually felt quite a lot of ease.
Again here, you can feel the muscles of the leg actually quite tight, and this will interfere with the lower back. So once all the muscles are tight, the lower back also becomes tight. So working through these muscles, you actually get the muscles to relax, and you can actually feel they're actually tight just by touching.
2 treatments. Already feeling the benefit. Obviously not fully sorted out, but I'm hoping through a few more treatments, follow the course through, I'm sure feeling very confident about it.
Just feel quite a bit more soft. Feel that warmth in your back. How do you feel?
Feels a lot better, transformed almost.